because Ebuka Obi enego ma nwe ihe wọtụrụ ịkparị Ebuka Obi na Igbo onwere oge ka nke bazo egorogom onye kesi Ebuka Obi because na ejego this young man so I was shocked. This man be the humble one. In all Nigeria pastors, I've never seen a man so humble as Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Very humble. If you're a rich man, even and Ebuka Obi, or you don't give me room for 5 hours because he are rich and not because he will ego. Come to ministry, he have put the park G-Guard, and the park Land Cruiser, but they cannot be able to see him. If one day back at G-Guard and the back at the Land Cruiser, but they cannot be able to see Ebuka Obi. They Ebuka Obi now concentrate poor people who go over you. Then the Chinese one say, oh yeah, can I carry? Igbo who nobody phone wearing no war, I swear to God. Who never get it back, but in that Nandicano, soon Nandicano me, whether Nandicano never can the DSS. Because Igbo Nabu, only go up in a Igbo. I have a new year. I suppose we not Takwa for 400 years. When we suffer, then I put up on the sufferness and I value here open a Chineke. Oh, you're going out there to go Biaka, Holy Ghost fire out to Yaka. Ebuka Obi Ebuka, the release of Nanikano. Countless because they want peace. He is the only person that will come out today and want peace. He is the only person that will come out today and want peace in the southeast. Because all they would know me, they want peace now Igbo. Can investors now but they develop. Because all the women need to put them in the Ajafa 1. They put the people of Anambra Ajafa 2. Amen Ebuka Obi, Amen Anna Ebuka Obi, Amen Akandi Ebuka Obi, Amen Akebe Ebuka Obi. That young man and I will not know to do Yaban. Edobe age, the age of the Ebuka Obi, who know they got on eBay. For the man, there is difference between grace and love. You don't fight a man who says grace, otherwise you will be disgraced. Amen Ebuka Obi, Amen and Ebuka Obi. Ebuka Obi, onye mana na mbọ aka ya iruhu mbọ aka o bebitere n'aka iruhu mbọ aka Ebuka Obi bebitere ị na-ebutegharị onwe gị aja afa. Let him stop. Onye kwuo n'elu ọtụtụ na ya tabosie some are the holy, some are the nsọ. Go and sit down, Mr. Man. Thank you, sir. The other day, but I know Ebuka Obi with a plan to come down to southeast. Give better development. It will get a lot of things. It will go down Igbo. Okay, O begin the elu. O begin Joronjo. You with a poisonous heart. In the way na Zion and Wagan and Aguleri. And not just Nemogan and Aguleri. Every the God and Aguleri. Even around the Anaro Rehabilitation Center. People like you see I don't know from Germany. May see Garagara Unogaba, the Rehabilitation Center. The way you see at your way. Ever gonna one dollar and if all Nagadia go and verify Aguleri. And now see again shuttle bus na state by state. I get Nagari. Only Bonya and I wear an uso. I want a tin and moto. See that place, they were free of charge. Udiha somebody on Igbo State, Boyi Igbo, Evangelist Ebuka Obi Bubata Bono. Bubata, congratulations, Egasia, and thank you very much, Egasia. But ime boss Ezuregi, which are following, they can can't brush. If people go beyond the name, the real Nana. Time is here. Change your way. My brother, stop dragging people. I was going to this morning. I would have laid insult on you. My brother, stop dragging people. So, were you blind were you blind mgbe traditional Okedi o doro Ebuka Obi n'aka jisie n'aka ya na-agasasị n'ala? Ọ bụ na Okedi kparịba Ebuka Obi na-asị bịa right on, then mbịazie ka m kwuo Okedi ọdụ, the same stop dragging people. You never see anything. Mbido drag Okedi, mma drag the double n'ime BP. I hate people of ingrates. When your brother is doing well, congratulate him. See, I told you guys, I was one of those people now where we go to war. Yes. In case when you came and my old video, there's some by Ebuka Obi war. Now one date time. As of last year, there's some castigate Ebuka Obi. But at times, man make the into a grave because it don't insult or castigate someone. God bless you, Chukwu Emeka, or some yes. God bless you, Chukwu Mube Joseph Amadi, for your stars. At times, everybody give them money. May not rethink. If they change not years. You change about verification. You change your check. You man only na castigate. No merit here. I was one of those people that about the na Ebuka Obi in wrong ways. But at times, message not yet as nje ya na about yes nyocha. When you mwefu no nya ana abudu okwu adatna o merit here. I have to retract my movement. Ndo share to mazu nyombagara because Ebuka Obi enego ma nwe ihe wọtụrụ ịkparị Ebuka Obi na Igbo. Onwere oge nke baza egorogomu onye kesi Ebuka Obi because na ejego this young man so I was shocked. This man big the humble me what? In all Nigeria pastors I've never seen a man so humble as Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Very humble. If you're a rich man, even and Ebuka Obi, or you don't make me for 5 hours because he are rich and not because he will ego. Come to ministry, he have the Pastoral, G-Guard, and the Pastoral Land Cruiser, but they cannot be able to see him. If they have a G-Guard and the Land Cruiser, but they cannot be able to see Ebuka Obi. Ebuka Obi now concentrates poor people. This one say, oh yeah, kana kare. Igbo una mari funu were no wa, I swear to God. Una bengere ba bari dan na de kanu. Suon na de kanu imi. Wele na de kanu nye bera kan de DSS because Igbo na bu onwe nku obu na Chineke nyere Igbo. Haya na ha ba nu ya. I suppose we na chiapu. Takwa for 400 years. When we suffer, then I put up on the sufferness. And I value ihe ọbụla Chineke nyere anyị. Nnamdi Kanu bagidere banaba. Today nobody remember him. Nobody remember him. No prophet, no pastor, no dibia, no wine, no chief priest. Nobody remember Nnamdi Kanu. But today, ọbụna Ebuka Obi na-ekwu okwu na-ekpe ekpere, na-eme fasting, na-eme phone call, na-ayọ biko ga-release Nnamdi Kanu. Some idiots, some fools. As na Ebuka Obi anara ego